Here I have Panasonic Eluga I3, and let me show you how to insert here micro SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's open the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's simply open this slot by using some kind of the tool. Here I have such a tool. Let's just press it right here, and now you can remove the whole thing. So let me remove the tray, and here you can insert the micro SIM and the SD card. So let's start with the micro SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. As you can see, in that slot you can also insert the SIM card, the nano SIM with the characteristic edge right here, and now you've got the dual SIM version. But you can also use it as the memory slot. So let me use for my memory card micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position, and now you can put the whole thing into your device. Let's just press it to the end. Let me just do it correctly. Alright, and wait a few seconds until the device is switched on. Let me check out how the device works with the apps inserted. Alright, let's unlock the screen. As you can see, SIM card detected, so it's a good sign. Tap apps icon. Here let's find and select the settings. And from settings, let's tap SIM cards. The device is reading one SIM card, so it's a good sign. Let's go back, and here let's choose the storage, and here you've got information about your portable storage. So everything went well, both cards are working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.